येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि। नृत्तावसाने नटराजराजो ननादढक्कां नवपञ्चवारम् उद्धर्तुकामः सनकादिसिद्धान् एतद्विमर्शे शिवसूत्रजालम्। Welcome to Kalidasa Sanskrit Kendram. A new series of videos are going to be posted in our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. Sanskrit grammar plays a vital role in the Indian languages. Maharshi Panini is the founder of this grammar, and it is followed by Katyayana Maharshi, then Patanjali Maharshi, then thereafter it is being learnt even now all over the world. The alphabets are learnt from Lord Shiva by Maharshi Panini. It's a long story. When he heard the drum sound of Lord Shiva, he felt that he has been blessed with something new knowledge. So he pronounced those sound what he heard, and finally they are the alphabets, consonants and vowels of Sanskrit language. Based on that, he composed 4,000 Sanskrit sutras. Initially 14 sutras are advised to Maharshi Panini by Lord Shiva himself, and then based on that Maharshi Panini composed 4,000 sutras. That's why this is called Samskritam, Samyak Kritam, Samskritam. It is well done or purified by Maharshi Panini. The steps of Panini followed by Katyayana Maharshi, then Patanjali Maharshi. Then everybody followed it. Sandhi plays very important role in Sanskrit language. Maharshi Panini beautifully taught the Sandhis and classified them beautifully. And those are divided into various Sandhis by their names. And the name are indicating the type of Sandhi. So that you are going to learn in further videos. We are going to present these Sandhis, more than 25 videos. In this video, you heard few slokas. They are prayers towards Maharshi Panini, Maharshi Katyayana, Maharshi Patanjali, and Lord Shiva himself. So these three Maharshis are considered as founder of Sanskrit grammar. So these prayers are very important to get knowledge of Sanskrit grammar. When we were students, We used to recite these shlokas every day just before the class. So you also can recite these shlokas when you start learning Sanskrit grammar so that you will get the blessings directly. So I request everyone to follow these videos and also recite these prayers. And we'll be posting one by one all the lessons. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.